Hey everybody, Varun here from 𝗪𝗏 𝗪𝗁. Guys, I've got Hardik with me, one of the most dedicated and hardworking student I've ever got. I'm very proud of you, Hardik. Congratulations on getting 8 each.
Thank you.
If we talk about your journey was superb. There were ups and downs. There were times we were feeling low as well. We were not really sure what we have to do. But I must say that you did not give up. You were very dedicated. You had this thing in your mind that I have to do it, doesn't matter what it takes. You have done it today. We don't really want to discuss a lot about PT in this video. I really want to talk about mental strength, right? A lot of students, they have the skills, they have the ability, they know they can do it, but because they did not get their score once or twice, they have just given up. They feel like this is not something which is meant for me. I'll probably do IELTS, I'll go to regional or something like that. And we was thinking the same as well. At one point, you were thinking the same. You used to ask me, will I get it or not, right? What does it take to be mentally strong? How did you keep yourself going? And how did you motivate yourself every time you didn't get the score?
When I joined 𝗪𝗏 𝗪𝗏, before that one, I was able to get score in writing and reading. That time I was spending my entire day in library, but after getting score in reading and writing, I was not able to understand what can be the reasons for not getting score in PTE. So I was also feeling depression as well. So that's why I joined 𝗪𝗏 𝗪𝗏, so I can come to the lab session and I can also see students like me who are also facing same difficulties. So I can get more ideas. That's why I joined 𝗪𝗏 𝗪𝗏, and after coming here, I was able to get score in second attempt in my speaking. It was 84 before 5 months ago, and I was missing by only 1 marks. But still, it takes approximately 4 or 5 months to clear the PTE.
That's right. So I remember, guys, he just missed by 1 point in listening, and it's been 5 months. It took around 5 months to get the desired score. So you never know how far you are, how close you are, right? Because if we compare your last attempt, it wasn't that good, I'll say. Right now you have got overall 87. That's a very good score. What do you think is important when it comes to the lab sessions, right? Because a lot of students do neglect. They think I'll just practice at home. What is the difference when you study at home and when you come to the lab and study over here? Why are the lab sessions important?
When we study home, we think like we are 100% right, whatever we are doing, and we think like there is something wrong with the PTE software. But when we come to the lab session, we get continuous feedback and we know the reality. What is the reality? Like improve you little bit slowly. You can't get improvement within 1 day. It takes time. So that's the best thing about the lab sessions. So continuous feedback from tutors and motivation as well, because sometimes when I was feeling demotivated and not coming to the lab sessions, I was getting messages from the 𝗪𝗏 𝗪𝗏, why are you not coming? So this type of motivation helps a lot during the PTE journey.
That's right. So basically an environment is very important, because when you're sitting at home, you have 1,000 thoughts going in your mind.
Yes.
Why I'm not getting the score? You look at the videos, you have your friends who studied with you, who used to get the same score as you did in your university, but they did it in the first attempt and you are struggling even after 3 or 4 attempts.
Yes.
So you keep on telling yourself, no, this is not the right thing for me. But that is one thing we need to avoid, guys. PT is not just your English test, it's more of your performance test, right? It's not like you are proficient in English and you'll get it the very first score. There can be a number of factors on the test day. Yes. So you need to be very, very strong mentally, as well as you need to practice a lot and get this done. Any advice for students who are practicing or preparing for PTE exam, what they should do, especially in speaking, right? That was one of the sections which we were struggling in. What they should and what they shouldn't do so that they can get their score as well.
For some students, not all, for some students, PTE speaking is like a mystery. No one knows why are they not getting the score. So continuous feedback is very important for the speaking. So it is better to come to the lab session so you can get continuous feedback and improve yourself. It is the only way to crack the PTE. If you are at home and you are using the online websites and you are thinking you are getting the score in them, then you will get the score in real PTE exam. It is not going to happen, because I was getting 100% score in the online many websites, but still I was not able to crack the PTE. So that's the difference between come to the lab sessions and doing at home. So if you come to the lab session, you will come to know that what things you need to improve.
So basically, it's not just about practicing and trying to figure out what mistakes you're making. You need an expert who will tell you, yes, these are the things you're messing up. Because a lot of time we assume by ourselves that this is the right way of doing it. But you never know what is the right way, because there are students out there who used to get 19 speaking. Using the same thing, they are now getting 60s, right? Yeah. For you as well, you did the same thing, you got 84. Next attempt, you did the same thing, you got 67. So as you said, it's a mystery for some of the students, but if they get the right feedback, they come to know what mistakes they're making, they are going to do it. Guys, if he has done it, I have done it, you can do it as well. You just need to make sure you commit yourself that I have to do it, I'll be regular, and doesn't matter what it takes, I'll give and get this out of the way. He's doing his NAATI with us now, and I'm sure he's going to crack that as well. We'll be back with another video with you soon. All the very best for that, Hardik. Very, very proud, guys. Doesn't matter where you stand, even if you're standing on 65, 67, even on 50s, we have got students who have got 8 each. But yes, you have to make sure you are committed, you are regular, and you get the right feedback. All the very best, guys. I'll see you very soon. Thank you, Hardik. Thanks for coming over. Thanks, guys. I'll see you very soon.